In the realm of contracts and legal agreements, the term liquidated damages often arises. This concept plays a crucial role in ensuring that parties to a contract understand the potential financial consequences of a breach. What are liquidated damages? Liquidated damages are predetermined, specific sums of money agreed upon by parties in a contract to be paid in the event of a breach. They serve as a measure of compensation for the non-breaching party, intended to reflect the actual or anticipated loss resulting from the breach. It's crucial to note that liquidated damages are distinct from punitive damages, which are meant to punish the breaching party rather than compensate the non-breaching party. Purpose of liquidated damages. The primary purpose of liquidated damages is to provide certainty and predictability in contractual relationships. By agreeing upon a specific amount of damages in advance, parties can avoid the uncertainty and expense of litigation to determine the extent of the non-breaching party's losses. This predictability is particularly valuable in complex or long-term contracts where the potential damages may be difficult to ascertain. Enforceability of liquidated damages. For liquidated damages to be enforceable, certain conditions must be met. 1. Reasonableness. The agreed-upon amount must be a reasonable estimate of the actual or anticipated damages. Courts will not enforce liquidated damages that are deemed to be punitive or grossly disproportionate to the potential harm caused by the breach. 2. Certainty. The contract must clearly specify the amount of liquidated damages and the circumstances under which they will be payable. Vague or ambiguous provisions may render the liquidated damages clause unenforceable. 3. Bargaining power. Both parties must have had equal bargaining power and the opportunity to negotiate the terms of the contract, including the liquidated damages provision. Contracts of adhesion or those entered into under duress may be subject to greater scrutiny. 4. Legality. The liquidated damages clause must not violate public policy or any applicable laws. For example, clauses that seek to penalize a party for exercising their legal rights may be unenforceable. Considerations in drafting liquidated damages clauses. When drafting a liquidated damages clause, parties should consider the following factors. 1. Nature of the contract. The complexity and nature of the contract, as well as the potential damages resulting from a breach, should be carefully considered. For example, a construction contract may involve significant potential losses due to delays, while a service contract may have more predictable damages. 2. Mitigation. The clause should address the non-breaching party's duty to mitigate their losses. Failure to mitigate damages may impact the enforceability of the liquidated damages provision. 3. Review by legal counsel. It's advisable for parties to seek legal advice when drafting or reviewing liquidated damages clauses to ensure compliance with applicable laws and to maximize enforceability. Liquidated damages are a valuable tool in contract law, providing parties with certainty and predictability in the event of a breach. However, their enforceability depends on various factors, including reasonableness, certainty, and legality. By carefully drafting and negotiating liquidated damages clauses, parties can protect their interests and avoid costly disputes.